Have you also become tired of frequently receiving messages on Viber from companies offering their services and products? These messages can sometimes become annoying if received often. As you can see, I receive them relatively frequently on my Viber account. Fortunately, the Viber app offers the option to disable receiving such messages. Watch the video until the end to find out how to do this. Open the Viber app. Click on the More button. Open Settings. Click on Calls and Messages. The option to receive business messages is enabled, allowing the receipt of such messages over Viber. Deselect this option. When this window opens, consider whether you want to keep the business chat. If you have ever received a useful offer, keep this chat. I will click on the Keep button because I want to keep this chat. And that's it. We have disabled this option, and from now on, we will not receive business messages. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel.